Today I will show you how to reset all settings on your Attack Shark mouse. First, open your browser on your computer. Any browser will work. In the address bar or the search bar, type in the words Attack Shark drivers. Press enter and wait for the search results to load. Look for the official Attack Shark website in the results. Click on that official website so you know you are downloading the correct software. Once you are on the Attack Shark website, scroll down the page until you see a list of product categories. Look for the section that says Mouse. Click on Mouse to open the full list of available models. Now find the search bar on the page. Click on the search bar and type the name of your mouse model. When it appears, click on the model to open its download page. After the page loads, look for the download button for the driver or software. Click Download and wait for the file to finish downloading. When the download is complete, open the file on your computer. Allow it to install if it asks for permission. When the software opens, look for the option that says Reset Profile. This option will return all settings back to the default values. Select Reset Profile and wait for the software to complete the reset. This will bring your mouse settings back to the way they were when you first connected it. After the reset is done, close the software and test your mouse to make sure everything feels correct again. Thanks for watching.